Hello dear friends. So how's the study going on? Fine. Okay. So as we are moving, I know we are moving, but what is the pace actually? Thing is, actually I have been thinking over this mathematics optional from last like many years. Okay, I have to start, I have to start. But the thing was how to start. Okay, because I didn't want to go in the traditional way. What happens? Suppose that there is a topic like linear algebra. Okay, Vijay. So I know that this topic I can finish if I spend 2 days for 5 hours each. I'll finish this topic within my ways. But what people do is they take like 2 to 3 months over linear algebra only. So this was the hurdle behind me ki yeah, how to overcome these things, because a aspirant who has decided mathematics optional in case of UPSC, I guess he is matured enough and he is very good at mathematics already. Until unless you are not very good at mathematics, you will not take this as optional. So I was consistently thinking ki how to develop a concept building, how to initiate some lecture series which directs aspirants towards their need only. So this whole lecture series, yeah, I took time over that, but now I am determined I will finish it in this manner only. So the thing is, over the YouTube, I am not going to solve some simple examples for hours and wasting your valuable time. I realize that being a mentor for UPSC, I know what is the hurdle between GS and such mathematics, chemistry or physics optionals. So for me, the crucial part is the harmony between GS and mathematics. So being a mentor, being a guide for all those UPSC strategies, I am trying to cop up the things so that those becomes aligned with your GS preparation in a balanced way. And you know what is the good thing? Actually, just 1 day, 2 days before only, I was like bit demotivated ki yaar, like I have to continue this lecture series or not. So whenever I get demotivation, people among you send messages, long messages, and I get recharged. Nahi yaar Upendra, you have to do it. So yeah, don't worry. I'll finish maths till January 2023 only. Promised, matlab promised. And I know how to finish it. Okay, bache? Chal, sorry for this conversation. Yeah, actually, it should happen sometimes. Chal. So today's topic is vector calculus. What, dear? Vector calculus. In case of vector calculus, when we are approaching UPSC, CSE or IFS exam, the thing is, what we need to study in this topic, we should be very clear about that. The thing is, this chapter itself will be containing of 3 parts only. Part 1, and please listen it carefully, otherwise you people will be always roaming behind the concepts. How vector calculus and the relation, the most डरावना स्वप्न for you, fluid dynamics. So today I'm gonna tell you how these concepts in the vector calculus are asked directly. So that is the part, directly, and without this vector calculus ka well understanding, you will have nothing here. So indirectly you can say vector calculus will be used here. I'm gonna tell you how that will be used. Chal. So here in the part 1, what we will be doing is differentiation. What बच्चे? Differentiation. In case of differentiation, we will have 3 subcategories here. What बच्चे? 3 subcategories. Today's lecture is gonna be very fruitful for you, I am saying. Even I myself is delighted from link. Okay, this is very good. Because marks fetching, na, fluid dynamics में सीधा questions you will have. Until unless you are not comfortable with the vector, you will do nothing here. Nothing I am saying. So in case of differentiation, we need to study gradient. What बच्चे? Gradient of a scalar field function, divergence and curl of a vector field function. Clear? How this gradient part will be dealt for this target, not over this target. Even if you are writing IIT exam or any exam, you can take help from this. Chalo. Gradient of scalar field. I'll be coming on that, ki what it is actually. I'll detail that also. But before that, our motivation should come, na? Then only maza will come. Huh? Chalo. So when I talk about gradient, so number first question यहाँ से आपके पास होगा gradient at some given point. Okay बच्चे, gradient at some given point. Other question you will have here from directional derivative. What बच्चे? Directional derivative. With the same thing, you will have a question like maximum or minimum or greatest rate of increase or decrease. What बच्चे? Greatest rate of increase or decrease. Such keywords will be very much helpful for you to figure out what we need to do in the vector calculus part. So here one sure short question. I am saying one question for damn sure you will have in your exam. Clear? From these keywords. The other part will be in the gradient only. Other part will be the using the gradient. What बच्चे? Using gradient vector. So we will come to know when we will start that कि gradient of a vector of a some scalar field function is always perpendicular to that level surface. So basically here I will be using the perpendicularity property, and for that we will have two types of questions here. Number first is finding tangent plane to some given surface. Finding tangent plane to some given surface or finding normal. What बच्चे? Finding normal to some given surface. Don't worry about it, what I am writing here. It is just dot product of r vector minus r naught vector. Tangent at some point, normal at some point, that point is r naught, the arbitrary or general point locus कैसे लिखते थे. So that story I will detail. The thing is another kind of question. So that is indirect application of gradient. Other part. Other is properties. What बच्चे? Properties of gradient function. Like curl of grade f is 0 always or not. Clear? So this is the gradient ka peripheral. If you prepare your concept within these three dimensions, you will have everything on your tip, and these things are very easy to handle. Clear? I'll go on that. For this divergence and curl of a vector field function, when I talk divergence, so divergence itself will come out as scalar quantity. So that is nothing but rate of change of volume kind of stuff. Here I'll be dealing with the physical significance of divergence, although that is not directly used in vector calculus, but physical significance, what बच्चे, physical significance will be very much important for your fluid dynamics topic. Without these understanding, you will not be able to be good at this topic. Okay. When I talk about curl, so curl itself means the, like you can say, rotation kind of stuff. So in the fluid dynamics, we will be dealing a chapter 6, or like we have to do 6 chapter in fluid dynamics from MDR only. Vortex motion. What बच्चे? Vortex motion. In that case, we will be talking about vorticity. Vorticity. So in this 6th chapter, vortex motion, because for this only vortex वाला और viscous fluid discuss किया जाता है. All remaining 5 chapters of the syllabus deals with the ideal fluid. So vorticity वाला chapter will be using this curl वाला stuff. So how direct question here? एक तो डाइवर्जेंस और कर्ल से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे आपके पेपर 1 में, और इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस पेपर 2 में. क्लियर है बच्चे? Purpose is clear or not? Okay. So now I am combining. Please, I'll take some few minutes also again, just to make it more clear now. This whole gradient, divergence, curl, these whole 3 phenomena, all 3 phenomena will be, इसको मैं I should write here, will be used in the fluid dynamics वाला part. If you talk about kinematics, पहला chapter 1 kinematics. Kinematics में you will be talking about equation of continuity. What बच्चे? Fluid के लिए equation of continuity और possible fluid motion del dot q, q vector, पूरा का पूरा fluid q vector के आसपास ही घूमता है. So equation of continuity यहां पर हो जाए आपके पास, या कर्ल ऑफ q वेक्टर जब 0 है तो फिर q वेक्टर इक्वल्स टू डेल फाई. सो हाउ वी एश्योर इट? प्लीज फोकस हियर. हाउ वी एश्योर कि इफ कर्ल ऑफ सम फंक्शन इज 0, देन like if curl of q is 0, then there exists a function phi such that q vector equals del phi. So one theorem also, what बच्चे? One theorem we will be dealing in case of, जब when we will be dealing the line integral, तो वहां पर this theorem, and without these things chapter 1, that is kinematics, will not be possible to do. Clear? Similarly, Euler's equation of motion. Euler's equation of motion में जब हम जाएंगे तब हम surface integral, volume integral, Euler's equation of motion, fluid dynamics का topic. Here I will be using surface integrals, even उसमें भी use होगा kinematics में भी. Surface integrals, volume integrals, surface भी flux जब की बात करेंगे हम. So ultimately we will have in the vector calculus as 3 parts. What I told you, part 1 is this, part 2, this is the part 2. What is part 2? Volume integral, surface integral, line integral. So इनका just calculation, how to compute some surface integral, how to find that normal vector, and that normal vector will be again played with by gradient wala part. Okay, so the chapter 2 will be, or part 2 will be calculating integrals, line, surface, volume. I guess now you will be thinking, you will be getting why I didn't do much question in the multiple integral. Because दोस्त यहाँ करेंगे क्या, माथा पटकेंगे क्या? We will be dealing multiple integrals only here. So without doing that type of mazduri there, we will be doing some fruitful things here. So required example or some motivation kind of some like guidance part is already given in the integral calculus. But multiple integral का questions I'll be dealing in the part 2 of the vector calculus. What is part 3? Part 3 will be dealt with 3 theorems. What बच्चे? 3 theorems. कौन सा? सबसे पहला ग्रीन्स थ्योरम, फिर गॉस डाइवर्जेंस, फिर स्टोक्स. So based on these 3 theorems, application of these theorems will be in the fluid dynamics, in almost kinematics, Euler's equation of motion, axisymmetry, नहीं 2D sinks or sources में yes we can have axisymmetry motion, yes, vortex motion definitely yes. So application of these theorems will be in the fluid dynamics, and these theorems itself will be 20 marker questions. How बच्चे? 20 marker और 15 और 10 marker में तो easy वाला रहेगा. So long question you can say from this part 3. So what are those conditions under which Gauss divergence is applicable? What is the condition for Stokes is applicable? I have seen many like in the books also. Even surface closed and bounded नहीं है, फिर भी Gauss divergence लगाए बैठे हैं उसके ऊपर. So the thing is, we have to understand conceptually where these things are being applied. End of the day, you will have that much understanding कि okay, these theorems are very easy to do. Only we need to realize the geometrical figures. What बच्चे? Geometrical figures. तो यहाँ के बाद में अपने को थोड़ा सा 3 dimensional figures की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Like if someone talks about paraboloid, ellipsoid and all, so believe on your teacher. Parallelly, I am gonna start analytical geometry. What बच्चे? Analytical geometry, that is 3D, paper 1. So with this vector calculus, what I have decided, in 1 week we will be dealing 2 topics now. One topic just like क्योंकि vector calculus, इसके बाद complex analysis भी हमें पढ़ाना है, and parallelly we will be doing 3D analytical geometry because students also suffer in that topic. So 3D will be useful for my this topic, basically these theorems. And 3D also in our topic, which is tough for you, but I'll make it easy for you. Introduction for 3D is already prepared. So within the like from the next week we will be dealing 2 topics. So this was the message for the day. Actually parallelly classes चल रहे हैं. So अभी इस weekend पर, this weekend I'm like making it very free, keeping it very free for you. Revise that stuff. From the Monday onwards, you can start your vector calculus lecture series. 3 lectures will be there for this. Parallelly then 2 lectures for analytical geometry. 3 plus 2 kind of stuff we will be dealing. Okay. But more thing, people are asking ki sir assignments are there. So this weekend I am gonna prepare those assignments. Will be floated in that. Will be shared in that Google Drive, Telegram group में. बाकी तो you just इस वीकेंड पर आराम कीजिए. मंडे से हम लोग वेक्टर कैलकुलस. हाँ, मैं आपसे ये कहूँगा कि इस पिक्चर का एक स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रखिए, आपको मजा आएगा. एंड बिलीव मी, दीज थिंग्स टेक years of exercise. then only I am able to convey, I am able to correlate the things. Basically fluid dynamics जहां से लोग जी चुराते हैं, I am very much okay. I have prepared my own notes for fluid dynamics, so don't worry, everything is ready, everything, okay. How to deal kinematics, how to deal Euler's equation in short way, and I have done it in my mains also. ठीक है? So keep following this lecture series. We will meet on the Monday with the vector calculus का part 1. Okay बच्चे? Good luck. अच्छा, one more thing, keep supporting यार. ग्रुप में मैसेज में अपने डाउट्स भेजते रहिए. आई एम ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर रिप्लाई टू योर डाउट्स. ओके, एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ एनी डाउट, एनी मोटिवेशन भी चाहिए ना, तो थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट भी करते रहिए. आई विल बी डीलिंग ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस. ओके, बाय बाय.